and then rolling the... Show center executing a beautiful one-quarter.
Good tracking.
To 6A deck.
Beautiful.
Applause for our 5 pilots as they pass by in review. Throughout the air show this weekend. Directly in front of him, Mark Fly